I fell in love with induction cooking years ago as a corporate chef in the appliance world. But for me personally, whether I'm cooking at my home or whether I'm being a fancy private chef that I do sometimes, I prefer to cook on induction for so many reasons. But for me, it comes, well, primarily now it's about the environment, but it started for me with the cooking. It just, the superiority of the control, the speed, how low you can do, how low you can bring that. It's incomparable. But also, again, on the other side, where I'm not filling my home or my client's home with tons of excess heat. I'm also being able to clean up so easily. I'm not in danger of catching on fire, kind of a bonus. So for me, all of those things layered on, I couldn't imagine not cooking on induction. And I understand for a lot of people, there's some learning, there's some sort of trying it out. But again, seeing hundreds and hundreds of people that I've worked with directly become as passionate as I am about it, that is probably the biggest win of all.